and welcome to another tutorial with your girl Selena. And today we're going to get into seated straddle pose. So first things first, we're going to sit on our mat in a straddle position with about 4 to 5 feet between our heels. And just want to make sure that your toes are pointing up. And you want to sit with a tall spine and slowly come forward or fold forward at your hips. And feel free to use a wall or have yoga blocks underneath you to help support you. And just really feel and relax in this deep stretch as we're opening up our hips and our legs. And feel free to twist if that's comfortable to you. And also, if you like in seated straddle pose, you can stretch to each side of your legs. So I'm starting at the left side and then I'm going to go to the right side. And feel free to hold it longer if you like, if that's comfortable to you. And then to the left side again. And I'm more so just doing a free flow with this. So whatever comes natural to you, whether if you like to twist, turn, stretch out to each leg, whatever's comfortable to you. And just really relax and feel yourself in this pose. All right, and I hope that has helped you, and thank you so much, and I will see you next time.